Alright, so we are going to go deeper into HTML. But before we start writing some codes, I want us to know this few theory. Uh, Number one, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a language we use to build the skeleton of a website. I will explain that. It means that when you go to the internet, HTML is not used for style. So anything you see that is a style, there's something like color, animation, all this style that makes things beautiful. HTML is not used for that. HTML is only used to build the skeleton of the website, like text, buttons, and the rest. We'll look more into it later. And technically, it is a markup language. It's not a programming language. HTML is a markup language, not a programming language. And then the last one, a markup language means that it uses text to create text, images, videos, and everything you can see on a website. So when you come to Google right here, all right. So when you come to Google right here, you can see that we have seen few things on the the website. Okay, we are seeing few things. Let me switch to Google. Sorry. So when we come to Google right here, okay, we'll see few things on the website. So we are seeing image right here. We are seeing some text. We are seeing the cursor itself. We are seeing some text here. We are also seeing a button here right here. All right. We are also seeing some icons checklist here. We are seeing some few text here. So this is used is created by HTML, but the color of the button, the way the cursor is behaving, look at the cursor, you see the cursor is changing, the way it is behaving, and all these effects, you see when I hover the effects, all of them is created by CSS, but HTML is used to create the skeleton, like writing the text, bringing the image here. All right, all the text here, everything you see on the internet or the website right here is created by HTML. All right, so I believe you understand. So quickly, let's go to our browser, sorry, our code editor, and create few text. So we are going to create everything we saw on the page right there. Okay, so the first thing we are going to learn how to create a text. First of all, we have learned how to create a button. So let's learn how to create a text. We are going to create our tags P like this. This P stand for paragraph. Okay, so paragraph of text. We can bring our paragraph of text here. So let me write this. Sorry, this is a paragraph of text. When I save it, all right, I will not open it. Let's create all. All right, and img is we create, this one is used to create image. We'll talk about more of this later. Okay, but before that, let me clean this one. I will not talk about this. Okay, so again, let's go to the website. Okay, so basically these are the things we are seeing: image and text. Okay, so let me go back again. So the image tag is img, this tag right here, which is, it doesn't require a closing tag. I will talk about it later. Then we have video. Okay, this is the video tag. I will talk about it more later. You need few extra knowledge for us to completely talk about the video and the image tag. Okay, then we can have a link. A link is A, which stand for anchor. All right, I'll talk about all this because of the attributes inside. These things are called attributes. The next lesson we'll discuss attributes, then we can look at all these things. All right, so these are ways of creating some few elements in HTML. So quickly, let me open the our browser. This is our browser. I'll double click for it to open. I'll open with Google Chrome. Click OK. So you can see we are seeing a paragraph of text in our lesson. All right, we are seeing a paragraph of text in our lesson. The next lesson, we are going to look at the proper structure of HTML. We are going to look at HTML attributes, where we can learn how to create images, videos, and all these things that we see on a website. Stay safe. Let's meet on the next lesson.